today I will be looking about some baked chicken. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Leave a comment below and please continue to share and like my video. See you soon. Yes guys, so this is my seasoned chicken and this was left to marinate for 24 hours. Alright, my oven is preheating right now at 185°C and it will bake in the oven for half an hour. Alright, look how beautiful this is. The season, the herbs, everything is looking lovely. All right, so I will see you after half an hour. Yes guys, so 15 minutes out of the baking time, this is what it is looking like. All right, and I have blended up some seasoning. That's green seasoning, so that's scallion, a little piece of ginger, garlic, bell pepper, and a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper without the seed. Alright, so I will be coating my chicken with that mixture. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so after half an hour, this is what it is looking like. All right, so I am going to give it 15 more minutes. All right, so this is my chicken. All right, so I have mixed up some sauce. All right, so this is my soy sauce with some ketchup in it, and I will be coating my chicken to give it a more darker look. All right, if you don't want a darker look, you can just eliminate the sauce. All right, stay tuned. Yes guys, so this is my baked chicken and it is now completed, and I must tell you guys that I gave it a little over 15 extra minutes. All right, so in total baking time it would be say 50 to 60 minutes. All right, if you want it medium done, you can give it 35 to 40 minutes. All right, stay tuned. Yes guys, so I will be doing some pasta. All right, so I'll be using the shell and I'll be using the twist. All right, different colors. All right, so as you can see, the twist and the shell. All right, Alright, and I'll be showing you what I will be doing with my mayonnaise. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so while my water is coming to a boil, I'm gonna add less than a teaspoon of sea salt in it. Alright, and then I will be adding my macaroni after. Alright, stay tuned. Yes guys, so I am using 2 packs of macaroni and it's 200 grams each. Alright, give it a stir for it not to stick. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna check back to see how tender it is. Alright, stay tuned. And guys, make sure to leave your pot cover halfway. Alright, because it will boil over and mess up your stove. Alright, so after 10 minutes I'm going to test it to see if it is softening, and yes, it is. Alright, so I'm going to turn my flame off. Alright, stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm going to throw the water off. Alright. So I will be back to show you what I will be doing. I'm gonna let this cool for say 5 minutes. Alright, stay tuned. Yes guys, so I am now ready. So this is 5 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Alright, and I will be using some parsley as well. Alright, so I'm gonna pour. And I'm gonna mix well. Just in case it is too dry, you can add more mayo. Alright. So I'm just gonna add some parsley. And this is about 2 pinches of parsley. I'll be adding some sunflower seed as well. Alright, so I will be back to show you my presentation. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so my baked chicken is now ready and it is served with pasta. Alright, and as you can see, I have a little lettuce on the side. Alright, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so, and remember to share my videos, and you can leave a comment below. Peace out, stay safe.